Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create field map in Power BI. To create field map in Power BI, make sure that some of the settings are on. So you go in File, Options and Settings, Options, click on the Security. This tick should be on. Use Map and Field Map Visuals. Click OK. Now activate the field map from here. Now pick up the state from here and drop it into the location. Next is region and drop it into the legend. Then pick up the sales and drop it into the tooltip. Activate the focus mode. So you can see that the field map is ready. Now you hover a mouse on any state. So it will give you the information of the state, the region, as well as the sum of sales. We can go on adding more information on the tooltip. Let's say we want the information of the profit also. So now you hover a mouse on any state and region, it will give you the information of sales as well as the profit. Now format your visuals. So here we are having two settings, visual and general settings. First, we'll activate the map settings. So in this, the style which we can select is Arial, dark, light, grayscale, and the road. Controls. If I activate the zoom buttons, plus and minus sign will appear. Zoom. There is a lasso button also, in which I can do a specific selection. From here, I'll select the rectangle and then I will drag it for to select a particular region. Moreover, a geocoding culture can also be activated from here depending upon your requirement. Click on legend. So at present, the legends are on top left. The position can be bottom right. So all these positions can be taken. Let's skip top right. So the legends are on top right. Text. This is the color of the text. The color of the text can be changed from here. See this, the legend color has changed. The size can be increased or decreased. Title is written region. If I want to include some more words, I can do this region wise. Field colors. So at present, four colors are there. One, two, three, four. You can change the colors also from here. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to default settings, just press it and reset to the default. Now we will activate the general settings. Properties. Click on back to report. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase. By increasing this number, the width of the chart will increase. Position. The chart will shift towards the right hand side. The chart will move towards the bottom. Padding. By increasing this number, the white portion on the chart increases. So this will increase the white portion on left hand side. This will increase the white portion on right hand side. This will increase the white portion on the bottom, and this will increase the white portion from the top. Advanced options, make sure maintain layer order is on. Title. So it's written sum of sales and sum of profit. If I want to edit it, just remove the sum. I don't require sum and sales and profit. Background color. I want this title to be in the center. Moreover, the text color of this text can be changed also. Sub divider on it. Which color divider I want? So let's keep it brown, solid. The width can be increased. Moreover, the style can also be changed from here. You can pick up the dotted one. Spacing. By increasing this number, the white portion between the title and the chart will increase. Effects. We require background. So let's say we'll take a gray background, light gray background, and then I'll increase the transparency. Visual borders. So we want the round borders, round corners. So this, you can see it is now round. The corners are now round. Shadow, outside, bottom right, or bottom left. See, this shadow is on the bottom left. Header icons. We have already discussed this thing in my previous video. Kindly refer this for this in the previous video. So header icons is related to filters and visuals, focus mode, and more options. Make sure in icons all these are on. Now you can activate the focus mode, export the data. So the data can be exported in CSV file. So as table. Moreover, the layout can also be changed from here. So this side, the map is there, and this side, the table is there. So this was all about field map in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.